Hey everybody, Chris Honig here at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, and today I'm aboard our brand new 2025 Scout 215 XSF. This is one of the most popular boats out in the water because of its size, easy to handle, 15-inch draft, getting into super shallow water, and then higher gunnels and a little deeper V to get through that nasty chop when you're going offshore fishing. We're going to start on the back of the transom. We have the upgraded 200 Mercury in black. This is very beautifully appointed to the midnight blue hull, which is on the side you'll see from the pictures and video. And Seastar hydraulic steering on here, digital throttle and shift. Very, very great motor for this boat for lots of torque, for fuel efficiency, and great to get out of the hole shot on everything. Sea deck on the swim platform coming in through the starboard side swim transom door. Nice being able to block this off. If you're fishing or have pets or smaller kids, make sure they're staying safe in the boat. 4 rod holders across the transom. Again, cup holders within arm's reach of every single seat on this boat. Really nice aft bench seat and deep seating. It gives you a seat for 2 behind the helm. Easy to hold on to back here, and then folds up for great fishability in the boat. We have rod holder storage in both gunnels on the port side and starboard, and then we did rocket launchers up top on the hard top and 4 down below. So no excuse for a massive amount of rod holder storage on the boat. As we come up to the helm seat, some new appointments for 2025. They added armrests, which are great to contain you in when you're offshore, some bumpy rides or just relaxing down the intercoastal waterway. And then some very comfortable bolster cushions so you can sit up top on this for some really good height, and then very comfortable when the bolster is down. Great visibility, have the full windshield, glass windshield, and then tilt steering wheel with your Limbar handle on here, so very easy to maneuver docking while sitting down and driving along. Great dash setup we did with all the options on here. We had the Garmin 8-inch GPS chart plotter, Fusion Bluetooth stereo, got our LED push button switches for all our accessories, Mercury vessel view, the new Seastar trim tab system makes it super simple to use on board, and then you can save settings even with those trim tabs, so you can hit that button, it'll get you back into gauge if you're doing a lot of offshore fishing. Wireless phone charger, more phone chargers in here, and a netting system. One thing I love about Scout, when you turn the batteries on from the inside of the helm, this red light comes on. So if you leave the boat, you can look behind you real quick to see if you've left the batteries on. So just one of many really innovative products that Scout comes out with way ahead of the competition. But really like this helm seat and view and visibility with the integrated hardtop end. Lots of storage in your center console area. You can add a porta potty in here if you wanted, but access to your battery switches. Batteries are actually located behind there, so I love having those batteries out of the bilge in the water, and good weight distribution on the boat. We have a 120 volt battery charger on board, so keep everything charged up when you're away from the boat. And then one of my favorite parts about the 215 XSF is all this seating area up front. They hit the nail on the head with this, and everybody has started to follow and trend after. But huge lounge seat, coffin box with plenty of storage. We have the optional bow table stored in here, but this can be used as a fish box, dry storage, or a cooler, has a drain on board. And then that bow table will mount into here and create some great seating space for entertaining, for enjoying. Again, 4 people up here. You can do 3 lounging, 1 sitting back. So some great deep seating bolsters, coming bolsters throughout the entire boat to create a lot of comfort, and great when fishing as well. Separate anchor locker up on the bow, big bow platform. Your push cleats or pop-up cleats, and then makes a great casting platform up here as well, with your rod holder, cup holder combinations up on the bow. But quick overview of this boat. Again, less than a 15-inch draft on board, good 22-degree dead rise, so you can cut through some nasty chop. 80-gallon fuel tank to get you to those destinations, and Again, just a very popular boat for our area. So if you'd like to get on board this boat or any others, please give me a call, Chris Honig, at 910-256-8100, and look forward to seeing you out in the water today.